What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Hungry Raw. Thank you for tuning in. If it's the first time seeing my face, be going to smash the subscribe button and like the video while you're at it. But today, it's the Sunday before Christmas. It's Christmas Eve. Doesn't matter. Her name like Julia, some Christmas Julia. Don't worry about it. So we're here at the Groggy Frogg again here in Southington, Connecticut. One of our top wing places in all of the entire state. If you follow my Instagram and TikTok, you've seen some like shorts I've been doing with Ashley. We did the PB&J wings, then with the relish, then with that bacon, whatever she had going on. So now I say, you know what? I gotta bring the big boy camera in. We're gonna do a real official video here. So there's a few more flavors I wanna try. So last time we were here, I didn't have this equipment. It wasn't as good. Don't worry about it. So last time we tried Old Bay garlic butter, Chipotle honey horseradish, hot toddy, Asian invasion, Hollywood, hot mess express, sweet and smoky, and then FU. The link to that video will be up here somewhere in the corner. But we're gonna try some new things today. I've been exploring a little bit. So we're here, we're hanging out. I mean, I ain't gotta work tomorrow, so we're gonna turn up a little bit. It's gonna be a good time. All right, let's see what happens. All right, y'all, I had to switch mics. Karaoke just started by 8:30, and it gets crazy in here, so I hope you can hear me pretty good here. The shotgun mic wasn't gonna work, but we're here. Sundays, $1 a wing all day. And of course, $1 wing on Sundays, Mondays, Thursdays, NFL games. Make sure you pay attention to their Instagram. But we have the spicy Beekeeper. That is first up. Let's go for here. Nice, moderate looking wings. Nice 6 or 7 on the Weavy heat scale. You see it. You see it. Look at that. Look at that. Just beautiful. Just gonna go for it. There's just something about the wings here. What they put on them, how they make them. I couldn't tell you how it's done. They're just so good. So the spicy Beekeeper is like a raspberry with like a honey. You got like some spice on the back end there. I hope you can hear me, guys. It is loud in here. We're going for it though. Hey, it goes up on YouTube. We here. I'm not in the car reviewing food. I'm in the restaurant. I do it in the restaurant, in their face. I don't hide in the car. We inside. Because we outside, but we inside. Spicy Beekeeper, nice job. Next up, we'll see what happens. Hey man, karaoke is crazy here. I can't do a damn video while the music now it's already started. I gotta go quick. We got my girl. What's your name? Mackenzie. Shout you out. What you do?
Hi, I work at Hawks Landing Country Club. I'm the sales events manager.
All right, bet. These are events. Hey, bump. Next up, we got Tasmanian. Hey, they getting hype in here. I don't know what's going on. But yo, so these were once a special. Oh, in bad way. Tell me why. Anyway, I'm like 37. I was like 14 when this dropped. Don't worry about it. But Tasmania, it's like a special they had a little while ago, and it was so good. There's a TikTok. I did TikTok on it. It's out there somewhere. But yo, let's go for it. Tasmanian is crazy. It's like a buffalo with some lemon and citrus and honey and like maybe some Szechuan peppers, some chili peppers. It's done. It's a flavor unlike anything I've ever had before, and it's really, really good. One of my favorite here at Groggy Frogg. If I have room for 2 more, we'll do 2 more. But if not, we got 1 more left. While it's quiet for 30 seconds. There's it. I got another. I have the legendary Froggfather. I'd probably say my favorite flavor here at Groggy Frogg. Pesto and stuff. I have a menu in front of me to tell you what exactly was in it. But it's like pesto and garlic and creaminess. It is so amazing. There's banana peppers on here. It's crazy here. Check it out. You see it. You see it. Oh, it's so bright. It's so bright. Let's go for a good smell. Oh my god, it's like a garlic parmesan. Went to the gym and then took roids, and it came out Barry Bonds in it. You really feel me? There's so much flavor here. It's so good. The flavor is so powerful. Like garlic has its own very powerful flavor, but it can linger. Then you have pesto, which is like pine nuts, basil, olive oil, blended together. Add on top of that. Then you got like salt and butter and whatever else they're doing back there. Fantastic. Oh, and then the pepperoncini, the banana peppers, they're amazing. Froggfather is top tier. My favorite flavor here are Groggy Frogg. All right, y'all, we gotta go outside because I can't hear a damn thing in here. Oh, it is literally 12 degrees outside, but we're out here. So I need to conclude the video because I can't hear a damn thing inside. We need some good light. I think we're good right about here. It's not so bad outside. Guess I'm a little drunk. Don't worry about it. But yes, man, remember, there's never an empty tank or empty stomach on this road. We're still marching away toward 10,000 subscribers. Get here. Check out Groggy Frogg. I really hope you can hear the video because it was so loud in there. Karaoke is lit. It's about 9:30 right now. Froggfather, absolutely insane flavor. I don't know, it might be the top 3 flavor of all time. That pesto, the pepperoncinis, the garlic, the lemon. Anyway, guys, take care, stay safe. Sorry, I got a mic on. Take care, stay safe. Thank you.